Tara Tesher is back with us.
Hello there,
darling.
my friend.
Mwah.
Hello,
Tara
everybody.
brings us Temp-tations on QVC. She is the president, CEO, and chief designer of said brand. This is so exciting because what we've done is we've taken one of your best-selling sets.
Yes.
And we brought it down to a rock-bottom price. Why? Because we can't get a reorder on this set. We want to be able to clear our inventory to make room for all of Tara's new goodies she has planned for us. So in order to clear our warehouse, we're going to bring this down to a low clearance price. Remember, however, when we sell out of any one color, it will be gone, which is why you want to get it today. Let me just share with you the value on this. At retail, this would run you almost $58, this set.
Yes.
Where you get the 2 gloves, the 2 baby trivets, or the 2 baby mitts, and then, of course, your 2 trivets. We're going to be almost $38 less, and with the free shipping, Tara, we're $43.44. You're going to order this either in large or small.
Right.
And we also have color choices, but let's first go through what's exactly in the kit.
So you're going to get the gloves, as David was just mentioning. Silicone on the front and the back. Why? Because I don't want you to have to figure out if you have what is your right hand, what is your left hand. There's tags on the inside tabs, so you can go ahead and hang them. We took that great technology that all of you have loved, and we incorporated it then into our mini mitts. And what you love about the mini mitts is when you're reaching into your Oster ovens, when you're doing some of those smaller tasks, you now have a great way to reach in with that great cloth lining, with the silicone accents, and grab that. But we kept going. We also gave you the trivets, because we know when you're coming out of the oven and you want to put your baker down or your pot down, you need something. The 11x7, our second most requested. The 13x9, our single most requested. Both of these are included, David, and they actually house the other 2 pieces. So when you want to go ahead and tuck those mitts away, you certainly can do that. That slides right down inside, as easy as I'm showing you. Maybe not so easy. There you go. And then the gloves, same thing. They're going to slide down right inside the 13x9. You can hang both of them, and they are good to go. 3 separate gifts if you wanted to. You could give the mitts, you could give the trivets, and you could give the gloves. I'm telling you, they're amazing.
Let me just spell it out for you. It's under $20 on 6 pay and free shipping.
I can't.
Yeah, this is crazy good price.
Yes.
And I can also tell you, we've already taken orders for 400
Wow,
sets.
we better get moving.
Now, this is going to include what we call the classic. This is going to be Old World and Floral Lace together, combined, right?
Yes.
This is blue. Large is more limited in the blue. I have small and large in the red. Small and large in the green. Green, however, is our most limited in both sizes. And here it is in black.
Great
in
gift.
Small and large. Now, we move down below to teal trellis, large and small. From that, we move over to our
green palm.
Green palm, also limited now in both choices. From there, let's move over to gray damask.
Love that.
Available in a large and small. And if you are a polka dot lover, as we know many of you are, you've got that available tonight, or today rather, large and small. And now over 1,000 sets are gone. Red is most popular. Our 6 easy payments and free shipping, Tara, go away at end of day today.
Got it.
Which is why you want to get this now. Here's something else. We have debuted these adorable glass bowls on Friday during In the Kitchen with David.
Yep.
And you can retrieve small and large things thanks to the dexterity of the glove.
Here's why I created it. First of all, I gave you a long cuff. So when you're reaching in, look how I can reach right in here and I can grab the rack here and I can pull it out. I can pull it out here. I can reach the sides. I can bump into the top. I can bump into the bottom. And I never have to worry. My hands are completely protected. As David mentioned, I reach right in. I grab that glass. I grab my baker. Whatever I'm going to need, and I bring it right to the table. You can put it down on the mitts as a trivet. You can put it down on the trivets if you want to. But here's kind of that extreme demo. When we talk about safety in your kitchen, when we talk about the hot things that you're doing in and out of the oven, here is the most extreme demo that I can think of. A boiling tea kettle or enamel on steel, where I literally take it right off of there and I put it on my hand. That is amazing. I feel, David loves to do this too. Now, David's obviously wearing the large, I'm wearing the small. What do you feel?
I feel a little bit of warmth, and that's it.
Right.
This is a screaming hot tea kettle. If I were to put this on any other type of glove, I'd probably be screaming myself about now.
Yep.
So this is what's so great about it. You should also know, and let's hold up hand sizes here. You've got little petite normal size hands, and I have big gorilla mitts. I was out and about yesterday, and a very delightful lady came up to me and recognized me from the show, and she said, "Let me see your hands."
Oh.
And I said, okay.
Sure.
I don't know if she thought I was stealing or what. And she said, "You always say you have big gorilla mitts. Are they really as big as you?" "Yes, they are." Big hand.
They are.
And they fit, my point is they fit in these gloves.
They do, and that's the beauty behind the large, and that was customer feedback. Here was a great idea from my mom. Boiling tea kettle, boiling enamel on steel where she doesn't have a lot of dexterity in her wrists, so she can actually slide her hand under, whether she's using a skillet, whether she's using cast iron, whether she's using enamel on steel, and take it right over to the sink and drain it. She doesn't have to worry about touching any of the sides here, and all of our pieces have that same technology finally built into them.
5,000 sets are now gone. Now, that's all exciting news, and this deal is unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
But be aware, when they're gone for good, which is why you may want to think about ordering a couple of sets and tuck them away for gifts, or get a couple of different colors if you like using them seasonally.
Yes.
Now, if you want the blue in the small, 2,600, large, 1,700. Here's your red. Very popular and available in both large and small. Then I've got it for you in green, but getting very limited now. In the green, small, 1,200, large, 800. Okay, and these are going quickly. Here's your black, available in large and small. In large, 2,500, large, 1,000 left.
Wow.
This is teal trellis. Small, 2,800, large, 2,400. Green palm, small, 1,700, large, 800 left. Gray damask, very popular in both sizes. Polka dot, also very popular. 6,500 sets are now gone, but let me just make one thing very clear. This easy pay and free shipping both go away end of day. This price is extraordinary. If you went to retail to buy this same setup, you'd be paying almost $58. We're about $38 less, just shy of that. And we are $43.44 less with the free shipping and handling. But your 6-pay and your free shipping go away end of day today. When any color sells out in any size, they come off the table and will not be reordered. Please know that when these get dirty, they can go right into our washing machines.
Yeah,
correct?
here's what the layer upon layer of safety that covers your hand. This is beautiful. The silicone that then's put on top of it that allows you that non-slip grip. And David's going to open a jar for you in a minute, because the reason why I put the silicone in there is for the non-slip, the ability to take it to the table, put it on your trivet, put it in your microwave, have that trivet again, bring it out when you're coming out of the microwave here into your Oster toaster ovens, around that kitchen. What David was, even out to the barbecue, which I love, but even what David was showing you just there, just the mitts alone are usually this price. The fact that you're getting the gloves, the mitts, and the 2 trivets, break these up as gifts. Maybe you want to keep the gloves, you want to give the trivets away, and you want to give the minis away, you can do that. But look, are you dancing?
I'm dancing.
I feel like dancing.
Because Allie's going to take a little video of us, and she's going to put it on
is?
Instagram, because she's taking over QVC's Instagram today. That's right. It's the Temp-tations Happy Dance.
That's what it is?
Happy Dance. Make a little video and put it on Instagram. There it is.
Oh, Allie, you're really testing me.
Allie, y'all done?
Yeah, we're like, you're done. Bye-bye.
Now you're done.
Okay.
Okay, fantastic.
So here's what I love. Coming in and out of the Oster, same thing. Touch the walls, touch the top. Do you know how hot the top gets? David, could you grab me a trivet?
Yes.
If you actually put your trivet right on top of the Oster, when you're taking things out, I see Melissa do this all the time. She's taking out her 13x9, she's putting it on top because she wants to slide something else in there.
I have been in your kitchen. You own this oven.
I love this oven.
So putting this up top is great. And
yes.
And this oven's coming up in the show, as a matter of fact. So if you're looking, and we always get questions about where do those trivets come from?
Yeah.
Hello.
Heaven. They come from heaven.
Same idea. Here's the bigger one. It fits even better if you pop it up here.
Yes.
Exactly. So we're going to go over colors again. How many are gone now,
All right,
Sean?
let's do it.
11,000 sets are gone and 700 people on the phone lines. A real quick what you get?
Sure. Both of the gloves, silicone inside and outside, front and back. Mitts, same thing, front and back. 2 trivets that you can use together and house the other pieces. Your 11x7, your 13x9.
Large and small available. Now, if you want the blue, 1,900 small, 1,200 large. In the red, red is most popular. We have both sizes. Green and small, 900 large. 700. Black in small, 2,000, and large in small. Did I say that right? Yes. Okay. 500 large. Then the teal trellis, 2,500 small, 2,300 large. Green palm, 1,500 small, 700 large. Gray damask, available, and polka dot, also available. We're very, very busy. 13,000 are now gone. We will not be reordering this when it sells out. Please know also your 6-pay and your free shipping end of day today.
Got it.
This is your chance to get it. Please continue to use QVC.com and your mobile app We are very, very busy. Tara's coming back with her mini loaf pans, or mini loaf bakers.
Mini loaf bakers, can't wait.
And they come gift box, and they're awesome. They've been super popular this weekend. Stick around. Allie's in the cook nook now that she's taken our video. You should also head over to QVC's Instagram page, because Allie is taking over the page all day today and posting things throughout her time with us on Now You're Cooking.
You know, get a little behind the scenes look of what's happening, but I'm in the cook nook with the perfect gourmet pot stickers. Now, these are the mini. They're absolutely delicious. That perfect bite-sized mini. We have the choice of either your 90 or 100.